So I'm gonna get this tub ready for planting. I've got a bunch of twigs in here that I found in my yard, and I'm just gonna break them up and put them in the bottom because they're gonna serve a couple of purposes. They're gonna serve a purpose for draining or good drainage in my container, and also as they break down, they're gonna feed my plants. And this is all of my weeding and garden cleanup for today. I got leaves and grass and all kinds of stuff. So I'm just gonna dump that in my container, and this is gonna turn into amazing compost over time, and I'm just gonna top the rest off with potting soil, and then I'm gonna be ready to plant. These are some strawberry plants I'm going to plant, so I'm going to water them first and give them a good drink. That way when I plant them, it won't stress out the plant as much if they're nicely watered. So I'm making a really yummy soup for dinner, and what I've got here is about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I put in a half a chopped onion and about 1.5 stalks of celery, just because that's what I had left over in the fridge. And I'm heating that up, and I've got this cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna add it to my crock pot and I'll show you what I put in next. Put my onions and celery and olive oil mix in my crock pot. And now I'm gonna add a few things from my pantry that I wanted to use up. So I have this can of Del Monte corn medley. This is the Mexican one. It has corn and chili peppers and red peppers in there. So I'm just gonna throw that right in. This is about 3 cloves of garlic chopped up. I have just 1 medium potato that I've chopped up. I'm gonna put that in. And then I also have some faux broth here. It's faux. This is the flavor. So this is a Vietnamese flavored broth, but you can use chicken broth or beef broth or turkey broth, whatever you want to put in. I also have a can of chicken broth that I needed to use up, so I'm going to put that in as well. And I've got a few shakes of pepper. And I also like to put in a little bit of this adobo spice. So this is like salt, turmeric, and garlic powder. I think there's maybe another thing in there that's mixed in, but this just gives it a really nice flavor. So I'm going to put in a few shakes of that and maybe taste it after it's been cooking for a little while to see if the taste needs to be adjusted. I'm also going to put in a couple shakes of summer savory. If you don't have summer savory, you can use thyme. Same thing, just to give it a little bit of extra flavor. The last thing I'm going to add is just some pinto beans that I cooked up the other day, and I had them sitting in the fridge. So those are going to go in the soup as well. So that's everything I've put in, and I'm just going to put this on low for about 6 to 8 hours, and dinner will be ready. And this is what the delicious soup looks like. This is going to be an amazing first plate for dinner. Take care, everyone, and we'll see you next time.